is it doing?
I think it's about to... And lunch. No. Not my taco meatloaf.
What is it, Pete?
That dragon ate all the snacks. You said there would be food, so maybe I'll just...
Routine test of our facility's state-of-the-art alarm system. No need to panic. Excuse me. Angela's taco meatloaf.
Ah! Accept that! I have not seen that. Spit that out right now!
Rodney!
Oi! Clean my teeth! There's stuff in the cracks!
Just shut up, will you?
Yeah, but never again.
Are you finished yet? Is it ready? Is it finished? Can we try it? I mean, maybe I should slow down on these things.
All that's left to do is to give it a try.
That's it?
These meatballs are actually pretty delicious.
Finally. And the power of 5 past bowls of mooshu pork reside in my stomach.
Oh, do I even have to tell you how gross that is?
And yet, at the same time, so very zen. The temple is under attack!
Oh, not so fast! I feel... I have to get out of here! Monkey can't do closed-in spaces. Monkey needs open jungle! And a bathroom.
Are you okay?
I think so. I lost my memory for a while, but I got it back.
Okay, so I'm totally confused. But no time for explanations now.
You know, green is definitely your color.
Remind me to never eat solid food.
Oh, I failed! I can't eat another. A second wind! All right, Cheese, prepare to meet your doom! Oh, excuse me.
Go Williger!
That's not a unicorn, I said. That's a narwhal. Much tastier. Where am I?
Right. And how's that gonna happen?
We're gonna help you.
What? Why are you looking at me? Do I have milkweed on my face?
By the way, he only eats metal.